If you're a real estate agent and want an easy way to do market updates, I'm going to show you how. Okay, so one easy way to do market updates on your computer is by using Zoom. So what I'm going to do is open up Zoom. I'm going to click New Meeting. And basically now what I have is a Zoom screen. So what I can do now is I can hit record. I can also put this so that it goes to Facebook, but basically what I want to do is make a video that I'm then going to publish out to my people. So what I'll do is I'll hit record, record on this computer, and now I'm live. So I'd say, hey guys, what's going on? Katie Day with the Moving to Texas team at Coldwell Banker. Want to give you guys a quick market update, blah, 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 blah. So then what I can do now is click share screen, and I'll pick what to share. I'm going to share this desktop. What I can do is keep my picture over here on the top right hand side, and now what I'm going to do is go through some sort of market update presentation. So that could be a market watch and talking about what has happened over the past 7 days in my market. That could be something like pulling different stats as far as historic sales within a certain area. It could be pulling different market reports. It could be going over different slides if I had a slide deck pulled of different things to talk about. What's great is if you have a monitor or a screen off, a second monitor or a second screen, I can have other stats and other talking points over here that aren't being shared on Zoom. So pretty easy way to do a market report and go over data with from your computer and upload it to YouTube or Facebook. Just make sure when you upload the video, you upload it as a native video on Facebook or on YouTube. So that basically means taking the file and uploading it to each site. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. And if this was helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Talk to you soon.